Good morning. My name is Hubert Grimes. I'm a Florida Supreme Court certified family mediator. We're here today to help you resolve some or all of the issues arising from the filing of a petition for divorce. If there's anything that I can do to help make you more comfortable or you need to take a break from the process, please do not hesitate to let me know. I want to thank you both for allowing me the opportunity to help facilitate your reaching a resolution of your matters. Even if you disagree with each other, let's do it respectfully and not talk over one another. You are in control of what comes out of this mediation process, which is different from when you would have to appear in front of the presiding judge in your case. There are three ground rules for this mediation. One, be advised that mediation is a voluntary process. Neither I nor anyone else will force you to do anything against your will in order to resolve your case. While I am a lawyer by training, I'm not here to give legal advice. Each of you has a lawyer, and they will advise you of your legal rights and responsibilities. Number two, self-determination. The decisions which are made today will be a result of what each of you believes is in your best interest. While you may start out with one position in mind, it's not unusual for parties to change their minds along the way in order to reach a result which they believe is in their respective best interests. That result may be different at the end from where you start out, but ultimately it's you who will make those decisions, not anyone else. Number three, these proceedings are confidential. No one, neither the parties, the lawyers, nor the mediator, is permitted by law to discuss what goes on in mediation outside of mediation, except in the rare instance where the law requires a report of a crime or abuse in progress. One of the methods that we use may involve my meeting with each side separately in what's called a caucus. When I meet with one side, I'm not allowed to share the contents of that discussion with the other side unless I have permission from them to do so. Other than that, I am bound by the code of ethics to not share any other details. These sessions, when they occur, are designed to discuss matters which will help us to facilitate the resolution of your case. There's no set time limit for how long a caucus session may occur. So please do not assume if I stay with one side longer than the other or meet more frequently with one side or the other, that I'm favoring one or the other side. It only means I will use whatever time is necessary to help promote resolving your case. I am also sensitive to the fact that time is money and you are paying for my services. So we'll do our best to use that time wisely. Let me tell you a little bit about my background so that you can better understand this particular process and how I fit into the role. I'm a native Floridian and a member of the Florida Bar for over 40 years. In addition to being a certified family mediator, I was blessed to serve the citizens of Volusia County for over 25 years as both a county and circuit judge. I am a husband, a father, a grandfather, and have served as a law professor, university lawyer, and president. I've also had the experience of going through mediation as a party many years ago, and I can tell you that the process works if you will work the process. Most importantly, I trust that these life experiences, including my training as a family mediator and our working together, will help to resolve your matters together today. Let me tell you a little bit about mediation. You see, mediation is a process, and we'll do our best to use that process to help you resolve your matters. As a mediator, it's always my goal to be a neutral and impartial facilitator. You might say that I am married to the process, but certainly not pushing, demanding, or requiring that I prefer any one result over the other. Each of you, together, will determine the outcome of this proceeding, far different from giving your matters over to a judge who does not know or understand what makes you special as a family. Of course, each of you are free to discuss the various options that you may have with your attorney, and I truly hope that you'll do that. We have reserved the time requested by these parties for the mediation today. And I can tell you, one of three results may occur today. One, it is our desire to do so, a full agreement. Two, a partial agreement. Or three, no agreement at all. Whatever is agreed upon will be in fact reduced to writing and signed by both parties today, and then submitted to the presiding judge. If we have not reached a resolution at the end of the time reserved, we do have some options to extend the time today if all schedules permit, or come back on another day. Either of those will cost more money for each of you, or we can reach what's called an impasse, that no agreement could be reached, and report that back to the presiding judge. Let's hope we can use our time to accomplish a good result. If you have no questions, counsel for the petitioner, please introduce your client and give your opening statement, followed by counsel for a respondent, who will introduce his or her client as well and provide us with the opening statement. Thank you.